What's up with y'all, man? What's up with y'all? I wanted to drop another video today. I wanted to continue my anti-Bitcoin rhetoric. It's not actually anti-Bitcoin. I'm pro-Bitcoin, but I just want to keep y'all eyes on the prize with this thing and look at it objectively. I would like everyone to pay attention to today is March 3rd, and Bitcoin is at 52,000 or so, like 51K. I would like everyone, first of all, to pay attention to the chart. If it can't break along this range, you might have it drop now. But this is why I think Bitcoin isn't the asset people are saying that it is. I don't know how to put this, but look at how gold is performing right now. Interest rates are going up. The dollar is strengthening. People are thinking like dumping risk off assets, like safe haven assets. And this is another reason why I think like the Bitcoin is failing at its thesis, is because Bitcoin isn't behaving like gold right now. And if it's a totally uncorrelated asset, it's something different. But a lot of the rhetoric out there is that Bitcoin is digital gold. So why is it behaving the opposite way that gold is behaving? Why is it going up with other risk-on assets? I made some money today. I'm not complaining, but something that we should keep our eyes on, really. And I'm going to just give you guys little tidbits about this Bitcoin situation because I feel strongly about it. I feel like we do need something to replace the dollar, but I'm just not sure with Bitcoin as of today, March 3rd, 2021. I'm not sure if Bitcoin is behaving in the proper way it needs to for it to replace the US dollar and do all of these things that they say it's going to do. The dollar index is strengthening. Keep your eye on that. If the dollar index, because Bitcoin is not really an uncorrelated asset. If you take a deep breath and look at it against the DXY, you'll see like it kind of loosely moves in the opposite direction of the US dollar. If you look at the 2016 bull run, you'll see like the DXY was crashing, Bitcoin was going up. The DXY has stabilized around 90, and now it's at like 91. If it continues to go up, watch pressure on Bitcoin. Watch pressure on all the crypto assets, but keep in mind Bitcoin is the first one. It's not really the fastest one. It's just the most popular one, so it could get replaced. Now with quantum computing, it's theoretically possible to crack the Bitcoin blockchain. Just keep your eyes on everything, but I think Bitcoin has a big risk of not performing how it needs to, and if it is going to perform how people say it is, it needs to start doing it soon. We'll see. It did in this environment, it did go up in price, but there's a lot of other risk-on assets like stocks going up in price, while risk-off assets are going down, like gold and silver is going down, but like copper and stuff is going up. So it's a possibility I could be wrong, but if Bitcoin is going to be digital gold, it's going to have to start behaving like gold, and things that are good for gold should be good for Bitcoin, and things that are bad for gold should be bad for Bitcoin. And I'm also going to challenge everybody who watches this. If you think Bitcoin, something weird happened. If you think Bitcoin is digital gold, then tell me that you own some gold. Because if all the fundamentals and everything for Bitcoin makes sense for Bitcoin to you, why don't you own any gold? Because right now it's not behaving as gold. It's more as a risk-on asset where you can make a lot of money, which that's not what gold is. So I know I'm going to get some flack for it, but hopefully I am wrong because I would like something to replace the US dollar. But as of right now, I don't think Bitcoin is performing the way people said it was going to, and you should keep your eyes on the prize and don't get wrapped up in any assets. Don't feel like that asset represents you or become like a moon boy or anything of that nature. Become a real investor, and if the data and the way something is behaving is not going the way it's supposed to, adjust your investment philosophy and don't be afraid to, because no one knows what's going to happen in the future. But like, don't get tied into Bitcoin thinking it's the end all be all, because there's other ways you can make money.